Career gap is not a big deal. You can showcase your strength or otherwise you can showcase your weakness. This is called as SWOT analysis. Hiring is all about the confidence. Career gap থাকতেই পারে। মেবি আমার অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে, মেবি আমার ফ্যামিলি এমার্জেন্সি হয়েছে, মেবি আই এম নট financially fit to do something on that time or whatever. Career gap is not a big deal. If you will highlight your career gap on your resume, that will be highlighted. Look, there have three different things. Okay. First, you either can showcase your strength, okay, on a better way, or otherwise you can showcase your weakness on a better way. Now, if the strength is 80% and weakness is 20%, everyone have the strength and weakness. This is called as SWOT analysis. You know the term of the SWOT? Okay, it's called as SWOT analysis. Okay, so SWOT have a full form, which is basically strength and weakness and their threats and operations. In SWOT, there have the strength and the weakness. Major part is this. Okay, so strength কি আছে, তুমি strength দেখাচ্ছ, you have the strength of 80% whatever xyz কাজে, and you are showing the weakness of 20%, then it's good. But majority of the people, what they do, strength is 50% and weakness is also 50%. People is get confused. Like if I recruit to you, if I sit for taking the interview, on your resume I can see that you have the strength and you have the weakness, but your weakness is comes in front of me multiple times, then I will get confused and I will definitely not going to hire you. Hiring is all about the confidence.